Hey guys, it's me Athar from Gossipfunda and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to fix the high ping issue in Free Fire. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is close all of the background applications because they take up space in RAM and slows your phone's performance down. So open Task Manager and close all of the background applications which are running. Now after doing this, check if your internet connection is on either mobile data or Wi-Fi, and it should be a stable connection. If your connection is fluctuating, then you will get high ping. So find such a spot in your house where the internet connection works just fine, and it should be high speed one. Sometimes this high ping issue needs just restarting of your phone, so try restarting your phone and running the app again. Sometimes it's just that easy to fix high ping. If by any chance you have an ongoing VPN connection, so disconnect that VPN connection because it slows the internet speed down. After doing it, go to the Free Fire app, go to app information, go to the storage usage and clear all the cache data from it. After this, close it and relaunch the app and try playing it. It should fix your issue. I hope doing all of these steps was helpful and fixed your issue. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.